Hi, this is Frank. He's French-Canadian. He's been off-roading for the last 15 to 20 years. He builds his own stuff all the time. So let's see what he's been up to recently.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've done a lot of work, so I'm about to do a little quick update for you. I've just put the power steering pump electric one from a Volvo. I've took the power brake booster from a Honda Accord 2020. It's completely electric. Plugged everything on. It's working really good. I really like it. It's really fun to work with that. Really easy, not too much wiring. As you can see, maybe 10 wires to plug in. It's really a nice job to do. And I've also put a radiator in the back for the inverter and the motor with all the plumbing and everything so the coolant can flow to the right place. So thank you for following my project. See you later for another update.